Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So I have once again a leak in my trunk in my 2000 Honda Civic. I thought it was coming from the taillight gasket here, so I pulled it off. Now I did make a video on how to take off the tail light assembly for this car. Guys, check out the description. What I did is I put silicone around it because I thought this is where it was leaking from, but I realized that that's not where it's leaking from. After I took it off, the silicone here is all intact, all nicely. So this is where the leak is coming from. Now, I made this a little bit bigger, but it was originally just like little cracks like this. So what I actually did to test this was I took a spray bottle and some paper towel. So here I have a little bit of Windex, and I took a piece of paper towel. What I did was I shoved it on the inside. I packed it in well. And then with the spray bottle, what I did was I just started spraying it. I allowed it to sit for a few minutes, and then I pulled the paper towel out, and then I noticed there was a little bit of Windex. You don't need to use Windex. Water will be fine, but because this is all I have here, I wasn't prepared for this to be the issue. That is what I did. But when it comes to leaks, just because it starts here doesn't mean that this is where you're going to see it. I noticed the leak in the trunk, but because of these small little hairline cracks, remember, the gasket goes over, so any water that is coming down here is going to want to split, and most of it is probably going to want to split this way. But this wound up running down on the inside here and then into my trunk. Alright, so you see the water here. So the water was coming over and then dripping down into the bottom of the trunk. If you don't address the issue, this water is just going to rot out your body faster than necessary. So the leak on the other side started like this. You see small little hairline cracks. This is all here, all in good shape. But small little hairline cracks like this is what it'll start out as. And this is why using a spray bottle and some paper towel, by spraying into the crack, that will tell you if the crack is gone all the way through. But I have a quick and simple way to address this issue without breaking the bank. So what we'll do now is material and tools. Alright, this is the materials and tools list for this job. So for material, clear silicone. If you want to use something like Geocel 4500, which is roofing sealant, you can. I'm not really a fan of silicone being outside, but that is what I have here because I didn't think that this was going to be the issue. This is a 1/2 inch fitting brush for plumbing, small flathead screwdriver, and then a silicone gun. Guys, this is all we need for material and tools on this job. So let's fix this leak. Alright, with a small flathead screwdriver, what I did is I broke this out a little bit. I mean, I can probably do the same thing for down here. I wouldn't say take out everything here, but because we have two pieces that are coming together here, that's why I decided to clean this out. And then with a fitting brush, just clean it out so you have a nice solid surface that the silicone is going to attach to. Before you apply your silicone, make sure that the surface is dry, otherwise the silicone won't stick. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some silicone up here, and then I'm going to fill this all in, and then I'll come down here and then fill this in, and then I'm going to reattach the tail lights. But I thought it was originally the tail light that was leaking once again, but no, it's whatever the sealant is between different panels, because they spot welded, and then because water will run down here, that is why they have this sealant. But after 26 years, it's obviously not holding anymore. Alright, so with our silicone, and all you need is a skim coat. There's no point in putting a really thick bead, because the silicone is not really all that good for outside anyway, but the goal here is just to keep the leak from continuing. And make sure that you have no holes in your sealant either. All right, that is good for this side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now. So this is the one crack here, and I think I'll do this bottom portion down here as well. All right, so this is going to be a Band-Aid fix. This will not break the bank. It'll cost you a couple dollars, whatever the tube of silicone is. But this is going to buy you time. Once again, this is a 2000 Honda Civic. This is a 26-year-old car, and it's always parked outside. This is inevitable. Is it eventually going to happen? What I will do is I'll scrape this all off. I'll put on my new taillight gaskets, and then I'll put the lights back on, and hopefully that's going to fix this issue for at least the rest of the life of this car. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.